Verifying your CoinpayU account enhances security, unlocks higher earning limits, and ensures smooth withdrawals of cryptocurrency, like Bitcoin Satoshis, Ethereum, earned through ads, surveys, or referrals. The process, known as KYC, Know Your Customer, is optional for basic use but required for large withdrawals or certain offer walls. It's done via the CoinpayU website, coinpayu.com, or app, Google Play, and takes 5 to 15 minutes. You must be 18 plus and have a valid ID. Log in, visit coinpayu.com or open the app. Sign in with your email or username and password. Ensure ad blocker is disabled for full access. Access verification. Go to the account or profile section, top right on website, menu in app. Click verification or KYC verification. Submit personal details. Enter your full name, date of birth, and country of residence. Ensure details match your ID to avoid rejection. Upload documents. Provide a government-issued ID, for example, passport, driver's license, or national ID. Upload clear photos or scans of both sides via the upload button. Some regions may require a selfie holding the ID. Submit for review. Click Submit. CoinpayU reviews documents within 24 to 72 hours. You'll receive an email or in-app notification confirming approval or requesting corrections. Enable 2FA, optional. For added security, go to Settings. Security, enable two-factor authentication via Google Authenticator or email. Tips, use high-quality images to speed up approval. Check email or spam for status updates. If rejected, resubmit with clearer documents or contact support at CoinpayU. Command verification unlocks higher withdrawal limits, like 50,000 Satoshis or day.